Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we're going to be doing division. I'm going to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number, this 12 right here. Before I get started, take a look at the link right up above here. That's to my new channel called Dino Math. Actually, we're doing a lot of the same problems like I'm doing right now, except with dinosaurs. I'm doing it with like a little raptor or a T-Rex. Sometimes we're just throwing in some live action shots of dinosaurs, and just having so much fun on that channel. That channel has everything related to dinosaurs and doing some mathematics. So I'd really appreciate it. Go over there, hit that subscribe button, take a look at some of those videos, and could you please hit the subscribe button to this channel too? I would be happier than a dog with 2 tails. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Like any of my videos, if you want to try this first, hit that pause button, and when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. All right, now, when I do division, I have to figure out how many times I can put 12 into this big number. And we're just going to take it easy cheesy, lemon squeezy, step by step. Can I put 12 into 3? You just can't, can you? So now I need to move over to this number here, 37 right there, all right? So how many times can I put 12 into 37? If you know your multiplication of 12s, 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4, 48. Too high, too big. You can't use a number that's bigger than this number you're working with. So we need to drop it down to 36. So 12 times 3 equals 36. So I put the 3 right up here. All right. So I put 3 right there. So 3 times 12 is 36. So I write 36 right here. And now I subtract. All right. So 7 minus 6 is 1, uno, if you know Spanish. And 3 minus 3 is 0, and you don't even need to put a 0 there. All right. So now we move on to the next number, and we just drop it down. You can do a little beatboxing with me. Drop it down, drop it down, drop it down. And that's our next number we're going to work with. So how many times can I put 12 into 18? We're starting division all over again. I can only put 12 into 18 one time because 12 times 2 is 24, and that's too big, too big. So I can only put 12 into 18 one time, so I put the 1 right up here. All right. So 1 times 12 is 12. And again, we do subtraction all over again. 8 minus 2, 6. Pick up sticks. And so 6 right here. And again, our next step, drop it down, drop it down. Take the next number, drop it down. Yeah, just like that. I draw these little squiggly lines just to keep track, because when I'm dealing with numbers that are gigantic, it just helps me keep things in place and in order. So now I have 64. How many times can I put 12 into 64? If you don't know your multiplications of 12s, well, you should have learned your multiplication of 12s. But if you don't, you can do a little figuring over on this side here. So let's try 5. So I'm going to multiply 12 times 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. Carry the 1, then 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 is 6. Now I know if I did 6 times 12, it's going to be way over, but I'll just show you what 6 times 12 looks like. 12 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1, 6, and then 7. That would be 72. We're going to stick with 5, all right? So I put the 5 right over here. And then I take 5 times 12, which was 60. So I put 60 right here. And now I subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. And then 6 minus 6 is 0. Do I have any other numbers to drop down? Is there any other numbers to drop down? No, there is not. Can I put 12 into 4? Can't do it. That is called a remainder. That's what's left over. So I write that as a R, a little r. And then I put 4 right there. So just to kind of recap on what we've learned here, I took 3,784 divided by 12, and the answer is 315 with a remainder of 4. How cool is that? Hey, I hope you're enjoying the day out there. Please get outside. Get away from your iPads and your phones. Get some exercise. Do some jumping jacks if you need to. Walk around. Look at birds. Whatever you got to do. Just get outside. Right now, you are at the age that your creativity is crazy cool. Just start thinking outside the box. Just get out there and play. Play is so important for all of us at all ages. You know what? I think I might get out right now and go do some playing with my son. Maybe we'll kick the soccer ball around the yard. Sounds like a great idea. Hey, have a great day out there. Hit that subscribe button. I'd sure appreciate it. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.